Welcome everybody. Today we will talk about beautiful word, success. It's really romantic word in our life. Everyone wants to be successful, but how? It's a very big question. How can you be successful in your life? There is no meaning of the word success, because person to person success is different. How can you fix the meanings of the success? If you are wealthy, you have a lot of money, so you think I'm successful. If someone has a knowledge, he considers himself as a successful person. How can you change the meanings? No, you can't change the meaning of that person. He is successful by his own definition. So we can't fix the meaning of the word success. You have to do something which you want to do in your life, and you will be successful. And what else will think? Maybe other people will say that, oh no, you are not successful. Who cares? Because it's your life. If you want to be like that, it's okay. If other people want to be like you, it's okay. If other people will say that, okay, no, I don't want to be like you, it's okay. Don't compare yourself to the others, because it's your life. And if you will get something which you have decided for yourself, you are a successful person. But how? How can we be successful in our life? Measure your activities. Because one of the best tools to be successful is accountability. When you will be accountable, so you can get success very easily. So how can we be accountable? Write down your activities, daily activities. Set the goal and write, how can I reach at that point? Write how many days you have. If you will say that, okay, how many days I have, and how much work I have to do every day, so you can get it, because you know everything. How can I reach that point? Write down your progress every day, and after writing your activities, measure them. If you know measure your activities, how can you say that is enough for a day? How can you say that is enough for getting success? You have to give rewards or score your activities. Every day you have to write how much success you have got, and what something else you have to do to get success, to reach at your level which you have decided before. Starting, when you reward yourself, you will be a motivated person. Motivate yourself every day, every minute. Reward yourself. When you reward yourself, you will be more and more enthusiastic. And then you can reach at the peak. You can get your target only if you will reward yourself. Accountability is the key to success. So these are very important points. Getting success. Measure yourself. And I hope that you all the people will do all type of the things which are very important to get success, because the meanings of the success are not fixed for anyone. Your success is your own success. And if you will think, okay, I am successful, you will be the more confident person in the society. But you should have logic, progress, and something which you can show the other people. Okay, let's see, I'm something. And other people will say that, wow, then you will be successful in your life, and you will get happiness. And I hope that you all the people will do all type of the things which are important to be successful in your life. Thank you very much.